You may think the last Australian 1-cent coin was produced in 1990, and it is true that the last circulated 1-cent coin was minted in 1990, but after 1990 there were two more issues of the 1-cent coin, in 1991 and 2019. In 1991, the 1-cent coin appeared in the annual mint set for the last time. Here we have a lovely example of the 91 coin, but compare it to the 2019 Mr Squiggle's 1-cent coin that I have stored since new in exactly the same way. Besides the obvious deterioration of the coin, the strike is definitely not as crisp. I'm still glad anyway that I collected the Mr Squiggle 1-cent coin. Like many Australians, Mr Squiggle was a big part of my childhood. Besides, without this coin, my Australian 1-cent coin collection wouldn't be complete. It may be just a novelty coin, but it still is an official legal tender Australian coin. In my opinion, it's just a shame the quality of this coin doesn't live up to the high standards set by the annual Royal Australian Mint sets.